are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. Today I'm excited to bring you a DIY desk organizer, and this is multifunctional, guys. You can use this for anything. So let me go ahead and show you the materials that you need, and then we can go ahead and get into our project. You're going to need to purchase yourself some Dollar Tree products. You're going to need to purchase 5 of these. You also need these smaller wall shelves, and you're going to need to order 3 of these. Use 5 of them out of that. Paint, wood glue, caulk, and these is to cover those holes up once again. And you're gonna also need a magnetic locker box. This is optional, you don't have to get this. 2 wood crates. You're gonna need your hot glue gun, and then probably a few more things I'm gonna add to it, but I'll let you know exactly what you need. That's it so far. Okay everyone, let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. First things first, we're gonna be putting this thing together. Now what we're gonna need is 1 of the shelves and 2 of the smaller shelves. We're gonna glue these 2 together like that as well. All right, let's go ahead and do our next step. We're gonna get another longer shelf, and we're gonna have it sitting inside. Let's go ahead and put that in place. It should now look like that so far. We're gonna be taking another one of our longer shelves, and we're gonna put it in between, all the way to the top. So now let's go ahead and put the 2 sides. Now I broke this down. This was 1 piece of this, and I cut it in 2. And you're gonna cut it, let me show you the mark, 3 inches and another 3 inches over here. Okay, you're gonna break it down to 3 inches, and that's how that came from that. Okay, you're gonna be putting this at the top here and put that in position. And I used all I did was cut it in half, and I used the utility knife from Dollar Tree as well, and I just used that to cut it in half, and it works. So we're gonna cut a piece right here. You're gonna get one of those bigger shelves. You're gonna cut about the 2 inch here, and then 3 3/4 of an inch measures here. So this is what you're gonna have right here. You're gonna have this, and then you're gonna have this piece, these 2 right here. This is what we're gonna use. So this, the 3 3/4 of an inch, we're gonna use at the back here. Let's sit back here and put that in place. I'm turned around so you guys can see. Let's finish up. Now the other piece of wood that we cut out, we're gonna be putting it like that. Yeah, it's gonna sit like that, y'all. So I'm gonna put it about this much. I'm gonna sit here. Let's sit on top of here, okay? And then we're gonna be putting our other longer shelf, which is the last one we have. We're gonna let it sit underneath here. Go ahead and stand that down. Then I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna go ahead and use these little woodcraft cubes. I'll put some at the bottom here. It'd be kind of tough to get this glue to sit properly. 1.5 inch up. We're gonna put that there. I'm gonna glue this in place. I should paint. So I went ahead and put these in here, so the board sit really well, like that, in there. That's how it's gonna look. So let's go ahead and glue that down. I'm gonna put glue right here and right here, right here and right here on top of these blocks. There's no need for me to do the back of it. You don't have to use the blocks. You can use also some craft sticks too. Just something to hold it up. So we're gonna be getting the last smaller wood, and then these 2 here. These 2 I cut out from 1 smaller shelves. but 5.5 over here on this side and 2.5 on this side, and then you're gonna cut that out, and that's how you're gonna get these two here. Let's go ahead and finish up. So on the side here, on this side, we're gonna be doing this. It's gonna sit like that. First, I'm gonna put this one here on this side here. Let's put that on there. Sure sits like that. Let's put this one here in the bottom. Let's put it right there. Once you get that in position, we're gonna put this in here. We're gonna add our pen holder. I've spray painted that, so let me go ahead and add that on there. And then we also have the 2 crates that we're gonna put. And the crates are gonna go over here. There's gonna be one right here and one right here. All right, so let's go ahead and put our crates in place. So I'm gonna paint over these little holes. This one would be wider, and I'm gonna do some painting on that. And then once that's finished, let me go ahead and add the pen holder here. Guys, I just want to show you with these cracks and these little cracks in the corners. I went over it and painted just to fill it in. And fill in those cracks. You can do this, it's up to you. That way it can look cleaner. A little cleaner, so I like it that way. It looks way better now. I went ahead and paint these little blocks in there. Kind of fill in these, like I showed you, I fill in these gaps. There's some like gaps was in between there and I didn't like that, so. And this is the results. And I love it. It's beautiful. A magnetic box. I took off the magnetic from the back of it and I spray painted it white, and I'm gonna put it right here to sit right there. It looks like that. I was gonna use adhesive cover from Dollar Tree, but I think I'm gonna use this one, this color instead. I like this design, and this is from Dollar Tree too. This is peel and stick wallpaper, and I got 2 of these. And I think I'm gonna use this instead of this. And then after that, finish, and then I can decorate this. Look at it. I think it looks beautiful. And right here. In the back, I didn't put any at the bottom there because you can hardly see that. Put some back here, and then I put 2 right here. And that's it for our tutorial. I love it. It's beautiful. Let me go ahead and decorate it, and then I come back, and then you guys can see the results. Okay, my YouTubers. Here's the results. Look how beautiful that is. Looks really awesome, guys. It's beautiful. Show you the side and then come all the way up. And this flip chart I made from my cinch machine, and this is my husband's quote because he's a writer, and I put his quotes. A lot of his quotes is so motivational, and I love it, and it turned out to be beautiful. And this pumpkin I got from Dollar Tree. These little mini plants I purchased from Five Below. The 3 in a pack, I got that from there. And the calendar I got from Dollar Tree as well. And I just add this little plaque back here that my husband gave to me, and it lights up. So let me turn it on to you. I think that was beautiful. It was a nice little touch there. And I have a staple and some sticky notes and a picture of my beautiful little girl, and then I had some notepads underneath here as well, and some more sticky notes and notepads in here. And I just love it. It's beautiful, y'all. And I actually put a light in here too. I purchased it from Dollar Tree. Thought that to give it a nice touch. And so that's how it turned out to be. And man, this is gorgeous. I just love the way that looks. That looks beautiful, y'all. I was very happy with the results. Very happy with the outcome. It's beautiful. So yes, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe, and please share. I really appreciate it, so others can enjoy these beautiful creations. All right, bye my YouTubers. Beautiful.
Thank you.